Hello, and welcome to another tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So this one's a little weird because I have things to show you. So I'm in the corner. We're going to see what that looks like, how it works. So this is a little bit about the workflow of Google Classroom. So you get these just great emails from Google Classroom, right? And since I'm using the web version of our wonderful district email, I don't even see the images. So I have to click here if it's blocked, blah, blah, blah. And I could then click open and it opens in a new window. But am I going to have to do that every time? Oh, and it went to my personal account instead of my Gadsden account. So there's a better way. And it involves using your cell phone. So if you haven't already, you really should download Google Classroom. Let me see if I can make myself huge. Nope, I just made myself go away. Hold on. Okay, so apparently this is as big as I can get, but hopefully you can kind of see. So I am in my Google Classroom account. Click on the hamburger, I believe is what people are calling it these days. And then you can see my favorite little thing is the notifications, the little bell right there. And I have 39, which Google Classroom does not show me that. Like if I click the hamburger here, I have a to-do, which is kind of helpful, but here I have to filter my classes and make sure I go to the right class, and then I can see. So this is one, here, let me make myself a little smaller. So this is one way that you can respond to things that have been turned in. I do think the app's a little better. Now you can see I just posted a bunch of assignments. Kind of annoying, but that's like my job, right? It's just to annoy you with things that you could possibly try or want to try. So, oh, this is going to be really hard to do. I believe I just click and drag to delete all of those. So I'm going to do that for all of the posted, scheduled assignment, blah, blah, blah. Then I see what my students have been doing. So I can click on that. Actually, the ones that say submitted, meh, I don't really care. The ones that say added private comment, I'm going to click on that. And that takes me to that comment. And then if I'm using my cell phone, I can just use voice typing, you know? So your workflow is going to go so much faster. So that's a little tip and trick for the day. If you have any other questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.